Hey guys, welcome back to Rider Review or SHAR. So today we are talking about a bike that honestly needs no introduction, the 2026 Yamaha YZF-R1 sitting at $19,199 MSRP. And look, I know there are a lot of Superbike reviews out there, but the R1 holds a very specific place in the motorcycle world that I genuinely think deserves some time today. Because what Yamaha has built with this 2026 version is not just a sport bike. It is a direct connection to their MotoGP racing program. And you feel that every single time you throw your leg over it. Let's start with the engine because this is where the R1 tells a completely different story than every other liter bike on the market. You have got a 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Crossplane CP4 inline 4. And that Crossplane crankshaft technology came straight from Yamaha's YZF-R1 MotoGP race machine. The firing intervals are uneven, which gives this motor a completely unique power character. It does not just scream to the red line like a typical sport bike inline 4. It has this urgent, physical surge of torque that you feel through the whole chassis. And it makes the bike feel more alive and communicative than almost anything else in this class. The ride-by-wire YCC- T-throttle system and the variable intake YCC- work together to give you incredibly precise throttle response across the entire RPM range. The 2026 R1 also gets MotoGP-inspired carbon fiber winglets, and these are not just for looks. They generate genuine aerodynamic downforce that improves front-end feel and chassis stability when you are pushing hard under braking or through fast corners. Combined with the fully adjustable KYB suspension, the premium Brembo Stylema monoblock front calipers, and the cast magnesium 10-spoke wheels that cut rotational mass significantly. This bike is built from the ground up to perform at the absolute highest level. The 6-axis IMU controls lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, slide control, and quick shift. And there is even an integrated GPS data logging system for track days. At 19 grand, the 2026 R1 is genuinely one of the best performance values in the Superbike segment. This is what Yamaha racing DNA looks like in a road legal package. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, subscribe to Rider Review RR, and catch you in the next one. Ride safe.